Alright, here we go again. Another fucking try, whatever the fuck. Howdy and welcome, you cultured individuals. FRUITANARI, how do they work? Are they chicks with dicks? Dudes with boobs? How many licks does it take to get to their goo? Some of life's many questions that I don't have an answer for, but I do know this. FRUITANARI is one of life's many pleasures. Pretty based, if you ask me. Oh, wait a second, I misread it. It's FRUITANARI, not FUTANARI. My bad. Forget what I said. That's topic for a different video. Yeah, so we won't be talking too much about FRUITANARI in this one. This is all about FRUITANARI. Tentacle Grape Soda's newest fucking drink, dude. And of course, it's another unboxing. Bro, the label says this box was 5 pounds, but I doubt this was 5 pounds, dude. This thing's kind of hefty. Bro, this is a big boy. Let's get to it. Alright. So, for the unaware, Tentacle Grape Soda, they make these grape drinks with waifus on them. Tentacle Grape, kind of a play on words. It kind of sounds like tentacle rape. It is what it is, though. I mean, they're pretty good. I like them mixing it with drinks, specifically vodka. But hey, man, that's what it is. Drink responsibly. But yeah, so they came out with grape flavors a few years ago, and that's what I hear. This had a Zone collab, which is this bottle right here. Look at that nice artwork. Which also comes in a not safe for work version, which I can't show y'all. Also some lewd stickers, which is pretty nice. And what we'll be unboxing today is the FRUITANARI flavored. But basically they had a Kickstarter for the FRUITANARI drink. I keep trying to say FRUITANARI. Fuck. FRUITANARI Kickstarter a while back. My package finally arrived. So I'll see what I can show y'all, because a lot of it is not safe for work. And y'all know how YouTube is. I'll share it on Twitter though. But let's get started with what I can show. The safe for work stuff. Alright, first off we have a desk mat like this one, except I can't show it because there's titties on it. Oh man, this is some good art though. Alright, oh, so we got 2 desk mats. I forgot about that. This one I can't show y'all. This one's safe for work. I mean, safe for work enough to get by. Alright. Oh, it's pretty much the same size as my Asalfa one. Kind of just covers it up. Alright, so let me see if I can get y'all better look at this. At the mascot. Yeah, I can get by with that. It's not a penis. It's safe enough. It's like a banana covered in. Yeah, it's a nice mascot. Nice. Oof, the dark skin. Oh, dark skin tag's beautiful. The red hair is a nice touch. Stands out. Okay, I can. Yeah, hold on. I can show y'all this. It's a Dakimakura. I'm covering this down here because there's the sample image, and it's kind of lewd. Because obviously, you know, at body pillows they have their lewd side and the normal side. Let's see, can I show you the back? No, there's a bulge. I don't have many body pillows. This is my 3rd body pillow. Yeah, my 3rd one. I don't have a pillow for this actually. I might just hang this up on my wall. Alright, next up we got the art book. Yeah, dude, they fucking crushed this Kickstarter goals. Oh, okay, that was a great page to turn to, but I can't show you that page. Okay, I mean, that's nice. Yeah, so we got the, can I show you all this? Yeah, there's just bananas on here. The art of FRUITANARI Punch. Here we go, we got a banana or a surfboard, some beach balls. You know, just a volcano exploding. Nothing sexual going on here. It's just fruits and vegetables. Actually, it's just fruits. Kind of stupid. But yeah, there's nothing sexual about bananas. Oh, shit. Man, I gotta check everything in this box to see if I can even show y'all. Yeah, I can show you this. Here's the front, the first page. It's just an art book, I guess. I mean, y'all know what art books are. It's just kind of the drawing progress, the sketches and whatnot. Oh, here's the artist. I can't link any of them because it's all lewd. I'm just enjoying some nice art. Oh my god. Okay. Yep, I can't show that. There's a penis. Yep, I can't show that. Nope. Nope. No, I can't show that either. Nope. Dude, I can't show most of this. No. Oh man, that's hot. Ah, that's hot. Alright, moving on from the art book. Alright, next up, I think these are some stickers. Yeah. I love my stickers, dude. I have like about 100 stickers that I haven't put up anywhere that I need to kind of deal with. Alright, these are safe to show. That's not safe to show. Put it upside down. That's borderline not safe to show. That one's just straight up. Okay. Oh, fuck, what are these called? Bottle carriers. Hey, man, do you need a cup holder, sir? No, I brought my own, thank you. Oh, here's a sticker, by the way. It's adorable. FRUITANARI Punch. If it fucking focuses, yeah, it's fine enough. Let's see, here are the bottle carriers. We got some nice Tentacle Grape and FRUITANARI Punch combo going on here. Nothing on the back, though. Let's see, what does this even hold? Does this hold... Oh, it holds 4 of them. Okay, that's nice. I mean, does it hold 4? Looks kind of small. That's what she said. Yo, is this... What's this? Holographic poster? Yeah, boy. Oh, but I... Oh, shit. Yeah, I can't show y'all this. It's holographic, so... Part of it's safe for work, the other part is not safe for work. Yo, but it looks real nice. It's basically just this desk mat, but on a holographic poster. Next up, we got some other posters. Oh, can't show that. Oh, yeah, okay. It's basically just what's on the stickers, but a lot bigger. Yeah, yeah, no, I can't show this. I don't want to get age restricted here. Alright, next up is the drinks. Which, I don't know what I was thinking when I ordered them, but I don't even fucking know how many drinks I got. But there's supposed to be a safe for work label and a not safe for work label. So I gotta be careful with those. Is this one safe for work? Oh, they're mixed. Oh, what the fuck? Why would they mix the labels? Okay. What about these? Bro, why'd they mix them up? Like, one is not safe for work, the other one is safe for work. Alright. There we go. Bottle of FRUITANARI Punch. Right out the box. It's a lot clearer than I was imagining it to be. I thought it was gonna be like, less clear. I don't know what the words are for that. But there we go. FRUITANARI. What was the tagline? Here we go. Yo, FRUITANARI Punch, Tentacle Grape Soda. Feel free to use this. An exciting new beverage from the creators of Tentacle Grape Soda that promises to fill your mouth with an explosion of fruity flavor. FRUITANARI Punch. Yeah. Let's see. Let me put this in my mouth. Let's see. Is it twist off? Oh, I mean, oh man, this is warm though. They're not cold. Yo, this smells good. Yo, yeah, dude, that smells pretty good. But yo, taste test. I'm put this Fuda juice in my mouth. I mean, this Fuda punch. I mean, this drink. Cheers. Yo, that's pretty good actually. I wish it was cold. Let's see, what would this go good with? Maybe vodka still. Yeah, dude, that's good. Oh, this would. Oh man, this would be a good snow cone flavor. That's what this reminds me of. Like fruity snow cone. Oh damn, dude, this FRUITANARI finished all in my mouth. It's all empty. Drained it. Some good Fruita. Oh, fuck, I almost showed that one. I can't show that one. That was a not safe for work. There was supposed to be more stuff, if I remember correctly. Let's see. We got the sticker set, the safe for work posters, and the not safe for work posters. We got the bottle carriers for sure. Those for these. Silicone coasters. ¿Dónde estás? Now I'm looking at the stretch goals real quick. Oh, here's the art book. I know that was one of the goals. The holographic print. That was, I mean, yeah, the holographic poster. That was one of the stretch goals as well. Bottle opener. Okay, so I didn't get that. I didn't get the acrylic figure. Okay, so I got the body pillow. I got the poster. And I didn't get the bottle cozies. Okay, I got the Zone collab pack. I got the mini art book. Okay, so let's see. What am I missing? I'm missing cozies, acrylic figure, and bottle opener. I knew I was missing something. I know it's been a few months, but okay. I was kind of looking forward to the bottle opener. Alright, so here we go. This is pretty much all I have besides the stuff that I didn't get, which I'll be messaging them about it. See what we can get done. Alright, so I posed the holographic poster to where it shows the safe for work version. We got our empty bottle. Man, this shit was pretty good. I want to taste it cold now. We got our full bottle. We got the Dakimakura cover, art book, some, okay, gotta cover up the stickers a bit. We got our safe for work and not safe for work stickers, safe for work and not safe for work posters with Zone Town collab, our bottle carriers, of course the holographic print, and our desk mat down here, which we have a not safe for work version as well. Most importantly, the drinks arrived undamaged, because I saw a few comments of some people where some of their drinks are starting to leak. I mean, it's all up to the fucking post office how they fucking deliver shit. You know how they are. Sometimes they'll wreck your package. Luckily, all my bottles arrived safe. I was worried I was gonna wake up and the box was gonna be on my doorstep and it was gonna be like all red from drinks, but luckily it wasn't. That would have been the worst case scenario where the box is just drenched with drink. But luckily everything arrived pretty safe. I kind of wish they would have wrapped up the posters in like a plastic, because some of the corners did get a little creased because they were just kind of put there. But it's all good.
Several days later.
Alright guys, so it's been a few days since I recorded the earlier portion. So actually the night I recorded that video, I guess the other part of this video, I messaged them on Kickstarter to see if I can get my stuff, and they said yeah. So, well, pretty much everything except for coasters. They said they were out of coasters, so I'm not gonna be able to get that. But they sent the rest of it. It's been a couple days, so I kind of delayed this video a bit. But I guess let me show you the rest of the stuff that I was missing earlier. First, I want to say, look at this packaging, man. They went above and beyond with this. Tentacle Grape brought in the packaging, and oh, to be the lucky postman to be delivering these. Alright, so first up we got the acrylic figure. It's pretty small. I thought it was maybe bigger. We got the oh shit. Okay, I know this safe work. We got a cozy, bottle cozy, nice. Alright, and lastly, what I was looking forward to is the fucking bottle opener. This thing's kind of hefty, actually. There we go. Here's the back of it. And the front, well, I don't know which one's the front. It just says FRUITANARI Punch. So this is nice. I wish I had something to test it on. I can't test it on the FRUITANARI Punch because those are twist-offs. So there's the bottle opener. And I'll leave the cozy in here, so you can slide the food right in. And let me see, let me get this assembled real quick. Alright, here we go. We got it assembled. It's only one-sided. I didn't really pay attention to what it said in the Kickstarter. I was assuming it would be two-sided, you know, safe for work, not safe for work side. And like I said, it's a little smaller than I was expecting, but it's still nice. See, if it'll focus. Yeah, no, I couldn't get it to focus. Yo, but I mean, that's all the goodies we were missing. I mean, except for the coaster. But they said they were out, so nothing we can do about that. But anyways, thanks for checking out the video. Sorry for this impromptu ending, but the items got here pretty fast. I was surprised. As soon as I told them, I think like the next day they're already getting shipped out, which was nice. So I didn't have to wait that long. Anyways, don't forget to check out Tentacle Grape Soda. I think they're gonna have FRUITANARI Punch on their online store pretty soon. I think. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, but I do know they have more Tentacle Grape on there, which is pretty good. I'd recommend giving it a try at least. But hey man, y'all have a good one. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Peace.